Alright, we're out here in the garage and we're taking a look at one of my latest projects. This is a 1982 Suzuki GS 650G. I don't know if it's a GL, a GZ, or GT. I think there are different models. I'll find that out. But this is my father's bike, and he's gotten to the point in his life where he's decided that he doesn't want to do a whole lot of riding anymore. In fact, the last year it was registered was 2010. I do have a battery for it, and it's ready to go. 14 volts, Bike Master. But despite what I want to do, which is throw that battery in and fire this thing up, or see if it will fire, I know that I need to change all the fluids, okay? So we're going to be changing out the final drive fluid, the gear oil here. It's 90 weight that goes, it's a shaft drive. We'll be changing out the motor oil. We'll be changing out the brake fluid front and back. This is your front. It's got dual front disc brakes on it here. And then it's got another master cylinder here under this cover. I rode this bike quite a bit in the early 90s. I had a Mustang that was less than dependable, so my dad lent me his motorcycle for a while. And it's a fun bike. It used to have a windshield on it. I think I took that off when I rode it in the early 90s. Brake blinker lens is cracked here. We've got a little bit of a bend in the bracket, so it's pulling that out. So that's no good, because if you're riding in wet weather, that's going to allow water to get down in there. So we've got some things to do. A lot of oxidation on the tank here. I don't know if this will all come clean, but it'll definitely look better. We'll hit that with a clay bar and then wax it. It'll look good. So I think I'm going to do something a little bit different. I don't think there's a whole lot of need for how-to videos on 1982 Suzukis. But I thought what would be kind of fun is do more like the live production. I might do live streams if my internet will handle it. I use Starlink. And actually just kind of come out here in the garage, set up the camera, and work on this with you guys. And what I thought I would do is on the first run, or the first try of starting it, I try to do a live stream. So what I'm going to do is, you know, when I post videos, if you're interested in seeing this bike project, I'll make sure I name it Suzuki GS 650G project. If I'm going to do a live stream, maybe I'll somehow do an advance notice. I've really not done any live streams on YouTube, but it'll be something fun to do, and I'll try not to swear. And you'll get to see me make mistakes, grab wrong sockets, and so on and so forth. But yeah, I'm kind of pumped. I think it's going to be a fun project, and I'm happy to get it going. And I hope that my dad maybe gets to the point where he decides he wants to come out and take it for a spin. So, all right, thanks for watching. If you have comments, leave them down below. And if you're not a subscriber and you want to see this bike project and other videos like this, hit that subscribe button. All right, I'm pumped. I'll let you know how we're doing. And I'll try to give you advance notice on live streams. All right. Take care and have a great day. And goodbye for Connor.